Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor and Joseph Mosley coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief, and this is our end of the week adjustment of the staff. We just adjusted Renee, now we're going to adjust Joseph. So let's take a look here, Joseph, and see what you're looking like today. We've had a busy week here, huh, Joseph?
Oh, yeah.
Been a great week, actually.
Yeah, my business.
Yes, very nice. Actually, you're standing up pretty nice today. You're a little bit forward to the right, but not bad. Pelvis is a little bit left of center, see? But you're not bad. That's the most centered up I've seen you in a long time.
Good.
We're going to decompress him first. Now, Joseph is the ideal patient for this. He relaxes, breathes properly. He knows what that does for you because he's a soft tissue therapist and manual therapist, so he understands the significance of breathing properly and relaxing when you're getting treatment, and it makes all the difference in the world, both for the adjustment and his massage therapy as well. And he does more than just massage therapy. He does manual therapy and therapeutic activities and therapeutic exercise where we're taking the patient's muscles and moving them through very specific joint ranges of motion. Okay. You feel that one down? Okay. Okay. Boy, that was perfect. Yes, sir. You're going to be going home feeling better this evening.
Yeah, I already feel better.
Yeah.
The
pull's the best. If you've never had a manual spinal decompression adjustment, you owe it to yourself to try it. Okay, let's come over here. And all you gotta do is call Renee. She'll get you hooked up. Okay, I'm gonna put you forward just a little bit there.
So Joseph gets the first time on the new table.
Yeah, this is Joseph's first adjustment on the new BioPhysics table as well. I just love this table. Perfect, that's the right pieces there. Oh yeah. Much more solid drop pieces, huh? Excellent.
feel a lot more.
Yes, the depth of it's much better. There. That's L5. Boy, that one moved good today. L4. L3. L2. And then we're going to get all the way up in here and start the lower thoracic. Okay. Okay, and then get a little drop piece in the thoracics here. Didn't intend to. Okay, there we go. I still got one right here. Yeah, I might have to get that another way. Okay. So Joseph, he can handle the turbonator. In fact, he likes it, so. You see, he did really good on that. He's not even white knuckling the table on this one. Keep popping that piece up there. Legs are even right now. That should feel fairly good, Joseph.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, good. Let's go ahead and turn you on your back, and now I'm gonna. This is Joseph's first time getting this posterior head drop with the zygomatic process here. Let's put your arms out to the side for me, Joseph. And let's switch this up to cervical now. Turn off the lower wings. This works so good because it gives me a superior and posterior. Mine is dry. Well, I gotta get the table to pop up first. Well, is it falling down? It's down just a little. There you go, right there. You should get it. That's better. That's exactly what I wanted. Did it pop up?
Yes.
Okay. And see my contacts right here with my thenar eminence right on his zygomatic process, so I'm not on his TMJ, not going to misalign his TMJ. Putting equal pressure on both sides. And I'm lifting the skull up and back and externally rotating it posteriorly there. So now slide down just a little bit this way, Joseph. And we're going to get these upper pieces to drop here as well. Oh yeah. That's significant, isn't it? There we go. Good. Okay, now let's hit you up face towards your neck, please. There we go. Have to quit stepping on that.
Yeah. You gonna adjust Joseph's ears?
Yeah, I'll give it a whirl. Might as well. It's Thursday afternoon, huh? Okay. Last time we adjusted, you might want to take your reading out there, Joseph.
Oh, sorry.
Last time we adjusted Joseph's ear, it really moved good. Kind of like Nelda's. And did it clear out some of your auditory stuff?
Yes, it's actually able to hear quite
Clear?
way better, yeah.
There it is. Now I'm not adjusting the malleus incus and stapes directly, but the soft tissues moving and in the inner ear actually do adjust that. So, okay, let's stand you up, take a look now. Now you should really feel your chest pop out and your head back on this one. Try and see. Yep, take a feel of that. Look at that.
Oh yeah.
See how your head's up and back, shoulders are squared off completely right now.
It's
It's almost exactly where we want it. Yep, just look up just a little bit there. Feel a little tap right there. There. There you go, great. Yeah, let's try that same thing. Well, that was perfect, Joseph.
good. Man.
So this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and the Advanced Chiropractic Relief team, Joseph Mosley and Renee Johnson, my wife and office manager, and we will see you next time.